All right, this is gonna be a short introduction to bonuses and the conclusion video basically. So what you're gonna be getting in the next few sections is gonna be some done for you campaigns that I have personally tested and they have really good conversions. And I'll be giving you the image, the ad copy, the targeting, and everything else essentially you need for those campaigns. So that's a huge advantage that you're gonna get right off the get-go. So you have nothing to worry about. And also, I'll be posting more bonuses as we go and as days progress. And I hope you really enjoyed this course and you learned a lot throughout the course. I'll be adding more videos later on as I test new things, as I if I think that if you need to know more things, I'll be adding them to the course. So always keep an eye out on the course. And our website is niche-tyrant.com. You can always go over and find a lot of content for free on different subjects. So you can head over to niche-tyrant.com and learn other stuff. And our email is tyrant@niche-tyrant.com. And you can contact me there personally, and I'll help you with whatever you need. And you can even PM me through Udemy, and I'll also reply right away as soon as I can. And give us a follow at niche_tyrant on Twitter and Instagram at niche-tyrant. I'll be posting a lot of relevant content, a lot of useful content over there. So make sure you follow us on Twitter especially. And just apply this course. I hope everything I taught in this course was helpful. And if you need any help, feel free to ask. If you have any questions, just ask right away. I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching this course.